How to subscribe to Stripe status updates. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you want to do so for Stripe, you can head over and follow out these basic steps for that. So let's just dive right into the video and get started with the process. For that, we can head over to the Stripe status page, which is this one right here, status.stripe.com. And this page right here will show you real-time system health, incidents, and maintenance updates. And you will also be seeing this button right here in the top or the bottom of the page. We just need to click on this option called subscribe to updates and need to enter up your email address here. So enter up your email address. You can do so via text message as well, Slack, RSS feed, Twitter, etc. Select any of the method and you just need to click on this option called subscribe via email once you enter up your details. And you will have successfully subscribed to the email updates. After that, you will be receiving notifications whenever Stripe reports outages, service disruptions, schedule maintenance, etc. Stripe specifically recommends subscribing on the status page by clicking subscribe to updates and selecting email or another notification. So if you rely on Stripe for payments, subscribing helps you quickly know if login payments or API services are down. And that's it. That is how you subscribe to Stripe status updates. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.